My name is Sheila Castilho. I am a postdoc researcher in the ADAPT Center here in DCU. I work mostly with machine translation evaluation, and yeah, that's it. The Machine Translation Summit is a great conference because it's one of the few conferences that you can have research in machine translation. You can have the translators coming to the conference to give their point of view on working with machine translation systems on their everyday workflow. And then we also have the industry partners coming to what do they need from machine translation, and what else they could get from the research that is happening right now. So it's a great way to get everyone that is interested in machine translation and discuss the points that sometimes the researchers don't know what the translators need, the translators don't know what's going on in research, and the industry needs to be part of everything. So it's a great conference where everything is happening in machine translation right now. We have a paper on the user track. So I was involved in a European project last year. So we're giving all the results of that project. We built around 40 machine translation systems, and we evaluated all of them. So that's one thing that I'm doing. And the other thing is that I am with my colleague Maya Popovic. We are giving a tutorial on challenge test sets for machine translation. So we want to show people this is another way of evaluating machine translation system, so you can have more specifics on the system that you're working with. So for example, I can evaluate if my machine translation system is working well with the lexical features that we have, or if the gender is being translated properly, or there is a bunch of things we can do with test sets. So we're giving a tutorial showing people how to use it, and maybe create a few more as well. We do need more industries and translators to be involved in the research of machine translation, because most of the times we're here and we think, maybe this will be useful, but we don't know. So we need the industry to come and say to us, look, this is very interesting, that's what we need, this is going to solve a problem. So Vistatec sponsoring us is a great thing, and I hope that you're going to keep doing it for the next conferences that we're going to have. And yeah, I went to the podcast that you interviewed me, and I think that was a great experience. A conferência MT Summit ela é essencial para quem está trabalhando com tradução automática, e para quem fala português e está sempre precisando de tradução em inglês. Todo mundo sabe que tradução automática é super importante, tanto para a pesquisa, quanto para os tradutores, quanto para a indústria. Então, a conferência MT Summit é a melhor conferência que tem se você está interessado em tradução